I promised, and now it's time to deliver. I'm Julian, your favorite homeboy, and this is Zero B.S. Home from Drops, where on today's video, we'll be chatting about how to keep your white clothes white. So, let's get to it. But first, some cold hard facts. The bleach that our parents and caregivers used growing up, and still in some households today, is made of sodium hypochlorite. LOL, I sound so smart saying that. This agent is very toxic. If not used carefully, this agent can bleach out the colors in any clothing that it touches, even after just a few seconds. Old school bleach with its harsh chemistry can damage clothing and leave white slightly yellow after repeated uses. Who wants that? Fortunately, laundry has evolved since then, and there's a better way of doing things nowadays. So let me introduce you to your new laundry superhero, Oxygen. This is Drops Oxy Booster Pods, our oxygen bleach alternative. This product works in the same way as traditional bleach in the sense that it can help get rid of stains and odors and help keep your brights white while keeping your whites white. The natural non-irritating sodium precarbonate as found in oxygen bleach and as seen here in Drops Oxy Booster Pods, most fabrics are safe to use with oxygen bleach products. And these Oxy Booster Pods were designed with the care of your clothes in mind. Plus, you can use them in your top-loading or front-loading washing machines, even if they're high-efficiency models. When it comes to reviving your dingy white clothes, our fabric care experts here at Drops recommend soaking the item in 1 gallon of cold water with 1 Oxy Booster Pod. Simply submerge the items in the solution for 1 to 5 hours, depending on the stain, and then place them in the washing machine as normal, along with your favorite Drops laundry detergent pods. And la, good as new. Huh? What's that? Oh, it's voila, not lala? Oh, okay. Well, still looks good. So there you have it, a quick tip from Drops on how to keep your white clothes white. Now you're ready to strut in style. If you have any questions for our fabric care experts, or if you have any laundry day or cleaning hacks you'd like to share, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Check out our Oxy Booster Pods and full product lineup at drops.com. Remember, subscribe and save more on every order. Join me next time where we'll be chatting about how to maximize your dryer to save you time and money and to finally bid those unfashionable wrinkles adieu. Until then, I'm Julian, your favorite homeboy, and this was Zero B.S. Home from Drops. I'll catch you next time. Peace.